write a program to print triangle format. It's a very basic coding question in Java, which is mostly commonly asked to a fresher. So here, what we have to do? We have to print a star in this format. In the first line, 1 star. In the second line, 2 star. In the third line, 3 stars, and so on. So if you will see overall, then it will look like a triangle. Like it's there is a three angles. You can see it's look like a triangle. So we have to write a code in Java to print the same star format to look like a triangle. So we will see in the coding. So I'm going to just open the IDE, that is IntelliJ. I have written already the code. So here we are taking one number as an input, like how many lines we have to print, like 3 lines, 4 lines. So that I have given hard coded 4 here. You can see this is, and we have written a method to print triangle. So inside that method we are passing the n. So we can write all this logic like a for loop inside the main method and we can print it. So just for the modular programming, I have used this method, print triangle. So here we are passing 4 as n to the print triangle method. Inside the print triangle method, what we are doing, if you will see at the inside the for loop, we have started from the 1 to I is equal to less than equal to n. So it will iterate over 4 times, 1 to 4. So and inside the one loop we are iterating one more time using the for loop. So this is the nested loop concept. I think you people are aware, but still I'm just giving you a brief about the nested loop. Nested loop, it is getting asked for the freshers mostly in the interview room. They will ask you what is a nested loop, then you have to tell the definition. So nested loop, whenever we are calling a for loop inside another for loop, then it is called a nested loop. Nested loop means loop inside the loop, in a simple word we can say. So here the second loop, what we are doing, we are iterating j is equal to 0 and j is less than I. So in the first iteration, if you will see, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 0. So here what will happen, 0 is less than 1 because I is equal to 1, you can see it here. So it will print 1 star here. Again what will happen, j will increase by 1, so this condition will be false, so it will come down. And where here if you will see system out dot println, we have used this for change the line, because after printing 1 star we have to go to next line and then we have to again start and we have to print 2 star there. So for that changing the line, we have given this println. So again it will go to the first for loop, then it will increase the I will be 2, then it will come again back to this loop and where j will be again 0 and I will be 2. So then what will happen, this loop will iterate 2 times and it will print 2 stars there. Again it will come to the system out dot println and it will go to the new line to print the 3 stars now. Then I will be 3 and j is equal to 0 and it will iterate 3 times and it will print 3 stars. So and so on, it will go on like this only, and it will print like we have given the n is equal to 4, so it will print 4 lines. So 1 2 3 4 stars, it will look like a triangle. So let's run this code and we will see the output, how what it is coming. So to run this program, we just click the run button here, this one, it will iterate this method and you can see we have given the 4. So here this is the 4 line with a star, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star and 4 star. If we will change the number here, like suppose we have given 8 and we will iterate this, then it will come 8 lines. So here you can see now it looks perfect triangle, you can see it, it's a perfect triangle. So here it's just actually interviewer will ask such kind of question to check the knowledge of students about the loop, how good you are in the loop and nested loop, and how good is your logic in conditional, like where we have to use the conditions, then how you will use your logic. So just for the testing of logic, interviewer ask these questions. So thanks for watching this video. You can like our channel, subscribe our channel, and share this video. You can save this video to understand and support us. So we will come with some new codings, and this channel is all about Java only. So we will come with the Java coding, Java interview questions, and all the things related to Java. Thank you.